What's up, guys? Fly the Pro back here with yet again another YouTube video. Today, as you can see, or as you can tell, we are out on the river kayaking. Got Jacoby Wan over there, or ZX Ninja, and Landon having a water fight. My mom back there, she's, doing her own, and I'm in my own kayak here. But yeah, just wanted to take this opportunity to film today. Sorry for the poor camera quality. I don't have much to hold my phone. I'm trying not to drop it. But yeah, filming a YouTube video. We're out on the lake today. It's kayaking, all of us, me and my friends. And yeah. Either way, like I said, I know this is kind of a slower video, but I am gonna post this on my channel, so be sure to go check out some of my other videos that I got. Later on this afternoon, I'll probably shoot a video of either War Thunder, Crossout, or maybe Vigor. I don't know. You guys let me know. But got Jacob checking out his gun there, fully loaded. It was a test fire off to the side.
Really? Okay. I was about to say, if you do.
No, I'm saying don't shoot at me, y'all. Keep me out of the crossfire. Jacob's using my old one, the Bali 10 SS Sun Dolphin. I'm using a Pelican something. I can't remember the exact name. But hold up. Hey, hang on, watch out, alright? But yeah. Having kayak today. Again, like I said. In case you guys are interested, this lake is Point A Lake. Just so you know. Point A Lake. Like, that is the name, Point A. Or, as most of you would probably know, close to Gant Lake. I got my phone filming, alright? So don't splash me. Like, it's right there. I'm serious, if you do, Landon, I'm gonna hurt you. Don't.
If I don't hit your phone.
I'm just saying, don't, seriously. Because I'm filming for a YouTube video. Dude, stop, seriously. You already got it wet. Yes, you already did.
No, I'm not. I hit the side of your freaking kayak.
I don't care, alright? Just stop. Landon being a dick and all that, Meow. Well, I'm gonna cut off the video from here, okay, y'all? This will be part 1, and I'll make a part 2 later on. This is Fly the Pro, signing out.